How did you win their respect?
Yeah. Well, I think one of the things that is very unique about my business and our company is that our culture is very family-oriented. And I think it was important for them to realize that I was in no way, shape, or form had any intention on changing that culture. I would constantly and continuously always try to make sure that they realize that no matter what, family comes first, right? So I needed to make sure I garnered that concept as in whatever conversation. I'm always in tune, or try to always be in tune on what's happening in their personal life and how important it is to take care of that. I certainly didn't want to exhaust any of my employees because we are so lean. As one of the other challenges that we have going into the next generation is being able to find qualified help to replace the help that's going out. So, some of my guys are working 65, 70 hours a week, and I have to be certain to make sure that their health and their family life is a priority to me. And I think that that's where they connect with me. Certainly, I'm a working mom, and I have to make sure that I find that balance in my own life. And I think the men that work for me and women that work for me often can struggle with that because the work is always piling up, right? We're in an industry where it never seems to get done. There never seems to be a break. So I implemented some really great policies that I think have really helped move us into the next generation. We have a much more flexible PTO schedule, our plan. We have much more, we've continued to keep really, really good benefits, medical and health, dental benefits, while companies are starting to change and limit those. I'm continuously trying to keep my loyalty and keep my relationship with my employees by making sure that those are the most important things as we're running the business.